Hello, everyone. I am Smriti Nagrat, Senior Manager Onboarding and Delivery at Meritto. I welcome you all to this edition of Illuminate by Meritto. For those who do not know, Meritto is an operating system for students' recruitment and enrollment worldwide, trusted by over 1,000 plus educational organizations from edtech companies to higher education organization. Meritto streamlines the processes for sales, marketing, admissions, finance, and operations team. Meritto empowers 1 billion students' engagement annually, processing 100 millions of inquiries and managing 5 million applications on an average. And for those who are onto their first Illuminate by Meritto webinar, it's a series of live webinars wherein we bring you the latest insights, best practices, and technologies on everything about students and recruitment and enrollment. We host expert speakers from Meritto alongside experts, thought leaders, and decision makers from the world of education and offering unparalleled insights for the education industry. So let's start our today's webinar on maximizing conversion opportunities in students' enrollment. Along with me, I have Mihir Bhatia, Senior Manager Customer Success. Hi, Mihir.
Hi, Smriti. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon.
And
Hi,
I also have Ajitesh Das, Associate Manager Product with us.
hi everyone.
Okay. So today we'll explore how educational institutions and organizations can streamline their leads, increase conversions, and optimize the engagement through effective opportunity management strategies.
Thanks, Smriti. Thanks for the wonderful introduction. When you started with this topic, it instantly hit to me that, when I'm discussing with customers on a daily basis, we see that their main goal has always been achieving the best possible ROI. Specifically nowadays when the digital marketing has become so expensive and everyone is exploring so many sales channels with ads running across different offerings, right, and different media. So it has become very crucial to track each and every opportunity individually.
Absolutely. It's not just about tracking. There are unique other challenges as well in managing, each avenue efficiently. So that's actually, what led us to create the product that we are going to showcase today.
Right. So let's just dive into some of those challenges and discuss how this product came into be. I was just browsing through the audience list and I see a lot of people from our edtech coaching and study abroad clientele have joined. And I'm sure that they have come across so many of those challenges we're going to discuss. And I think this session is going to be really insightful for them.
Definitely. So when we talk about the challenges, educational organizations often face, these challenges that when a single lead or a single student, expresses their interest in multiple programs or say, suppose in multiple universities or are exploring multiple options in multiple countries. So, let's just discuss about a study abroad consultant use case wherein imagine a student is exploring multiple universities, say in a country like Canada. Now, without an organized system in place, it's very challenging to manage such cases by the consultants who are looking into multiple countries. So, as a result, what would happen? Valuable engagement opportunities, may get missed simply because it's very difficult to manage and nurture separate interest against just one single lead.
That's so right. Not just study abroad, but I deal with edtech industry with for Meritto, and I've come across so many cases where let's just take for example the one of the organizations is doing multiple certification courses, right? And one of the student purchases one course in January, and 6 months down the line they want to purchase another course. So ideally, the newer purchase or the inquiry that comes in June is a fresh lead for them, right? In other words, it's a reactivation of the lead, and that needs to be nurtured as good as a new lead that they have acquired.
Mhm.
And taking your example for study abroad, it's not just about one country and multiple universities. There are other opportunities like study abroad people with me would have come across. They do financing options, they do visa applications, they do accommodation facilities. So all of this becomes, cross sell and upsell opportunity for all of these people. And I think people are going to resonate with that. So, for the audience, let's make this more interactive with a poll to understand what your day-to-day challenges are and what do they comprise of. And while you answer the poll, the next section is by Ajitesh from our product team. So he's going to showcase the power of the opportunity module. And don't worry, it's not going to be run-of-your-mill monologue from him. We're going to have a full-fledged interactive demo. We'll give you the best view of the product. So hold on and enjoy for the next bit.
Okay, so let's just
So
see the
please
exciting.
vote and we're waiting for your responses. Yeah,
Definitely.
Swati, please go ahead.
Yeah, just let's wait for the poll results that we're gonna have.
Yeah.
Okay, so as we
I
see,
hope everyone is voting.
yes, definitely, definitely. Just another 2-3 seconds more for the poll to end. Great. So, now that as we have the poll results here with us, I can see that we have just, hit the right mark with the product and the solution that we've created. So now let's listen to our product expert Ajitesh on what actually is opportunity management.
Uh, all right, Smriti and Mihir. Thanks for letting us know about all the challenges. And as we can see through the poll, we have got the maximum options at all of the above options. So all the challenges are quite a thing to cater in our product opportunity. And as you all know, capturing multiple interest from a single lead can feel like trying to fit a square peg in a round table. So let's talk about one of the most common challenge that we face, that all the users face. So imagine this from the edtech's perspective. So a candidate visits your portal and shows interest in both the Excel course and the Python course. So it sounds great, right? But here is the problem. How do you effectively capture both interest and ensure each one gets the attention it deserves? So, without a proper system in place, managing multiple interests can get messy. Leads often get treated as a single entity, and important details like which team member nurtured them or how each interest is getting progressed, it gets lost. So, this not only complicates the entire follow ups part, but also makes it hard to track conversions very accurately. So, now this is where the opportunity management steps in as a game changer. So with opportunity management, what you can do is you can capture multiple interest for a single lead in a very structured way. So whether it's courses, programs, or even short-term or long-term offerings, each interest becomes its own opportunity. So for example, Excel course and a Python course that we took a example from the earlier scenario, each gets tracked separately. So this means opportunity can have personalized nurturing. So you can each individual counselor can nurture their own opportunities, and there can be an independent assignment as well that Smriti will be talking in the future slides. And we have a clear status tracking. So let's dive deep into how this powerful feature works and how it transforms the way you handle opportunity. Now, for prerequisites, I would like to hand this over to Mihir. Over to you, Mihir.
Thank you so much. So, before you even think of implementing the opportunity module, it's very important that as an individual, an organization, you have a clear understanding of your SOP and roles. And not only SOP and roles and responsibilities for each person involved in this entire ecosystem. For a successful implementation, everyone should have a very clear understanding of what they do. Example, for a admissions team initiates interactions and sales team drives the conversion for an edtech institute. Or, for example, a subject matter expert, like you rightly said, there is a Python course and there's an Excel course. People have subject matter experts in house for each of their courses, and every individual inquiry should be treated with the subject matter expert in place. So that this is where it becomes very crucial. Every lead lead or every opportunity that comes in gets assigned to a specific person.
Absolutely, Mihir. The Meritto CRM role-based configurations just allows, how to define specific access and permissions for each team. And, in this way, even we can, handle and the relevant task and, which would easily boost the, tracking of what is being done by each counselor or the sales POC, and it would also increase their operational efficiency as well. So now let's just move towards the interactive part of our webinar today, is that by how can we create opportunity and how we can activate and associate a lead against an opportunity. So
Sure.
Ajitesh, I hand it over to you now for the lead creation part.
Sure, Smriti. So now that we understand the importance of opportunity management, let's walk you through how easy it is to set up an opportunity in your account. So this setup is quite straightforward, and there are just 3 simple steps. So can we move on to the demo for this, Smriti?
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah. So now there are just 3 simple steps. First, we'll be naming our opportunity. So we'll be giving it a title. So suppose we are creating an opportunity for a digital marketing. So we'll be naming it as digital marketing. The second step would be creating the opportunity fields. So once I go onto the opportunity field section, did we start the demo again?
Just a second, I think we just started again. Yeah, so
let's start the demo again. So we go on to the create opportunity and we give it a title. Suppose we are creating an opportunity for the digital marketing. So we'll be giving it a title as digital marketing. The second step would be creating the opportunity fields. So now we'll be creating the opportunity fields. We'll be adding a opportunity field name. You can add a field title and a field placeholder. You can specify if it is a mandatory or a non-mandatory, if you want to keep it as multi-select or non-multi-select. So you can specify all your things here. The use case for this can be basically, if suppose you want to capture a payment date for one of your opportunities, suppose your digital marketing product, you cannot capture it through the lead, but you can do it separately for the opportunity. Like each opportunity, each courses will have their separate payment date. The third step here, as we can see, is creating opportunity logic. So now you can create opportunity logic based on the digital marketing course. So you can just select the field course includes digital marketing and just click on save. Your opportunity is seamlessly created. This is the opportunity list right in front at the top. And now what you can do is just go on the 3 dots menu and click on the change status button. Once you click on the change status button, the opportunity will be activated. And that's it. That's how simple it is. And now once you go inside the digital marketing opportunity list, you will see the leads that gets captured from the lead manager. So this is how simple it is to capture create the opportunity. Now coming to the opportunity association part. Can we go to the next slide, Smriti?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, now opportunity is seamlessly created. That was the first step of our entire flow. Now we'll be going to the opportunity association part. Why this comes into play, you might be wondering. So the leads that automatically captures the logic, those leads will get converted into the opportunity and will add it into the opportunity list. But what about if you want to manually add or associate a lead to the opportunity? Now here comes the another functionality of our opportunity module, which does that. So we can go to the demo to see that. So now we are at the opportunity list page. We see a plus icon where we can add the opportunity. You click on that and now we have an associate lead pop-up that appears. This is step 1 of 2. And you can search here by name, email or mobile of a lead. So now let's try to search it by a name.
Sorry.
Yeah, sorry, there was a hiccup, no issues, technical challenges we all face. So name, email and mobile. And now we search by some name. Let's see what name we are searching it by. So we search by Raman, and we see there is a no lead found with that particular. So now, with our enhanced functionality, you can create a lead with her name or an email or a mobile that you don't find in the system directly from the opportunity pop-up. You can just click on the create lead button and another pop-up comes up. It's similar to the add quick lead we see on the lead manager. Now you can add your any of the leads using email or a mobile. Let's go to email and start filling all the sections. Like we can type the name as Raman, we can enter your email and rest of the details. And now once the user clicks on the save button, the lead will get created in the lead manager, and in the next step we'll associate the opportunity using the logic. You'll see it right here. So we will just be we'll not be assigning the lead, we are just creating the lead. So lead is created, and now in the step 2 we will be adding this particular lead to the associated opportunity, like opportunity list. So we'll be associating it with digital marketing here. And that's it. Once you click on add, it's as seamless, and the Raman is added to the opportunity list digital marketing. It's very simple and very convenient. And also, if you want to see for something such as Dipansh, so this lead was already there. This is as simple as it is. Like Dipansh card will be appearing, and once you click on the Dipansh card, an existing lead which already is there in the system can also be associated. Now Dipansh and Raman both are there in the opportunity list digital marketing. Moving on to the next functionality.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ajitesh. It looks very simple and easy to create an opportunity and to, associate it with Meritto system. Now that we have, covered that how an opportunity can be created, how it can be activated, and how can we associate a lead with the relevant opportunity, let's just move forward to talk about how we can assign an owner against each opportunity. So when we designate somebody responsible, like for a salesperson or the admissions person responsible for an opportunity, follow-ups are more consistent and the accountability of that particular sales POC increases and improves against that particular opportunity. It's a simple step that we can basically strengthen and how each opportunity can be managed, and there is nothing slips through the cracks against a particular lead. So now let's just move forward and towards the demo and see how a single owner can be allocated against a single opportunity. Let me just start with the demo. So when it comes upon assigning an owner, if you see, we just clicked against the name. There are 3 dots. We click on assign owner, and a list of all the active users would come to us against a particular lead. We just have to assign the relevant owner. We can add the assignment remarks if required and simply save. Now, this particular lead has been allocated a owner who can basically contact this particular lead and nurture them further. Now, there are also options that we can assign these opportunities in bulk as well against a single owner. Currently, what previously we saw was single lead against single owner. Now we're talking about multiple opportunities against a single owner. How can it be done? Let me just show it to you. What we need to do is that we can select all the leads select all the relevant leads that we need to allocate against a single owner in bulk. On selecting them, there are 3 dots that we see. We click on 3 dots. We go to assign owner as we did previously, while assigning a single owner. Again, look for the owner to whom we need to assign all these leads. Put up a remark if required, not necessary, obviously, and then simply save. And we have easily allocated all the leads in bulk against a single user. So wasn't that simple?
Indeed, Smriti, that was. While we're doing it in bulk, we have allocation for leads via automation. Is there something that we do in opportunity as well?
Of course, automation also plays a key role in distributing the opportunities efficiently. So, what we need to do is that we can set rules, against the relevant sales folk based on, for example, course or the product they're specialized in, so that we ensure that all the leads get attended by all their experts only. Allocation of opportunities via automation, allows more personalized targeting of the students. For instance, let's take an example of an edtech wherein a student aspires to study, say, data science, okay, program, and now they want to connect with a counselor who specializes in technology courses only, offering insights into top universities in countries like, say, US, Canada, Germany. And the counselor now can guide the students through by selecting, help them selecting the best programs, understanding the student requirement, and exploring scholarship options, visa processes, ensuring that the interaction is tailored, to the students goals and preferences. This level of specificity basically, makes the process more meaningful and impactful for the student. And allocation via automation basically saves, time by automating this repetitive task of single opportunity assignment, allowing counselors to focus only on converting the leads rather than, managing this single allocation of the opportunity.
That's great, Smriti. That was really well put. Is this possible, Ajitesh? I wanted to ask you, is it possible if I want to change the stage and status of an opportunity? Can that be done from a lead profile?
Certainly, Mihir, that can be done. So basically, the opportunity status and state change can be done directly from the LM profile. And this feature basically empowers users to seamlessly modify opportunity stages directly from the lead profile, and also in turn update the opportunity status as per the opportunity stage mapping. So for this, users should have necessary permissions to edit the opportunity stages, and also opportunity stage mapping should be done because it directly impacts the opportunity status. So I would like to guide you through this by a demo. So let's see and get it. Yeah. So this is the opportunity page, and this is the opportunity list, which is digital marketing. Now we go to the opportunity profile. We go to the timeline, and from here we click on the dot, which redirects us to the lead manager. In the opportunity section of the lead manager, we see a list called as digital marketing. And now we see the opportunity as Tisha. The stage for this opportunity is right now as untouched. We click on the edit icon and a pop-up appears, which allows us to change the opportunity stage. It changes it to cold, and now the opportunity stage is changed to cold right from the lead profile. It's as seamless. Now we go to the opportunity profile, and it shows the stage has been changed to cold and the opportunity status is contacted. The same is there in the activity of the timeline.
Mhm.
In the so yeah, that's how seamless it is. Hope I have answered your question, Mihir.
Yeah, Jitesh, thanks. That was really insightful. And I would say that it's a really convenient feature. Before we move on to the next topic, I am seeing that a lot of people are posing in questions, which is great. People, you can for the audience, keep asking us questions. We'll try to pick them up as many as possible at the end of it. But don't shy away. This is what we're here for, to answer all the questions and get all your clarity on what you want. So let's talk more about the power of efficiency now that we've done more with the convenient features, right? Uh, the efficiently managing the opportunities to maximize revenue is what we are targeting here, right? So as you know that we have an awesome feature on Lead Manager of customizing columns, adding filters, and saving custom views. We thought, why stop at that? We bought the opportunity, it to the opportunity module as well. And not just that, we improved it a little. So the save view feature is designed specifically for efficiency. You can save any filter configuration, allowing users to quickly access preferred views without reapplying filters every time. For example, if I want to track a high priority opportunity, how do I do that? I can save that view, and next time with a click of a button, it shows me all high priority opportunities, no setup needed at all. So the customization is what reduces the repetitive task, and each department can create views tailored to their needs, ensuring consistency across the teams. So Smriti, let's walk through that with a video and help people understand a little better.
Sure. Sure.
So as you can see, we're on the opportunity module. We have a quick filter button on the top. We go there, see we are creating a filter for the stage. You select it, select the condition that you want to. We select equals to, and we're selecting a specific stage that we're looking at. So let's just say we're looking at a high prospect lead. So we say hot connected prospect for test. As soon as I do that, it filters out all the opportunities that are there. I click on save view. As soon as I click on save view, it helps me enter whatever name I want to, and this is completely customizable. Not only that, it also lets me share this view with different users across the board. And also, I can make it a default view for me or for anyone else in in my organization. As soon as I save it, you can see how easy it is that I've just created a new tab, and every time that I log in, I can simply click on a hot prospect and multiple other views and just see and easily access whatever I want to.
Great. Looks nice.
Yeah. So while we're discussing about the efficiency features, I wanted to discuss with the audience that I have a lot of people ask me a question. Say, for example, while my counselor is looking at a specific opportunity, can they see other interests that have been captured by the system? It will help them modify the pitch accordingly. So, Ajitesh, is there something that we have done for that as well?
Yeah, me certainly for that. So the show other opportunities functionality is just that. The feature allows users to see all interests a student has, providing a comprehensive view. So if a student is interested in both marketing and finance courses, the earlier examples we have taken regarding the edtech perspective, you can view both the courses under the same lead or any of the one opportunities. So we can easily track opportunities, like the users can keep easy track of all the opportunities associated with a single particular lead. You can also cross-reference profile. So you can navigate to other opportunities profile directly from the other opportunity tab of a opportunity profile. And also we are keeping data security in mind. So only the persons who have the access to the particular opportunity list will be able to see the other opportunities. So we can see through a demo. Spriti, please help us with the demo. Yeah. So now we have this opportunity page opened up, and we go to the particular opportunity called as so we see the permission. First of all, we have show other opportunities enabled for the particular user counselor, and now we go to the financial modeling opportunity. We open the profile for Rahul. Now we have the other opportunities tab at the right hand side. We have the other opportunities, and you can seamlessly see that this is the financial modeling opportunity, and we have the other opportunity list as digital marketing, and we have two things associated there. And now we open the profile for the digital marketing, and in the digital marketing, we see the other opportunities as financial modeling. And Rahul is there for the course applied as financial modeling. So this seamlessly helps the users basically on if you are pitching for one course, you have a whole perspective. You can pitch for another courses as well. Other owners can pitch for another courses, and the same can be seen in the opportunity section of the lead manager. In the opportunity section of the lead manager, in the opportunity, we have the two lists, financial modeling and digital marketing. And both the lists have the Rahul opportunities and along with the digital marketing basic and digital marketing advanced. So Rahul was interested in both. So probably this is the time where the users can upsell the lead and convert it for a better course. Suppose digital marketing basic is completed, so they can pitch for digital marketing advanced, and that's how you maximize revenue. So, Mihir, I hope uh, answered the
Yeah,
question.
thanks,
Yeah.
Altesh.
Yeah.
While we're discussing this, another question came to my mind. The life of an individual counselor is being made easy with this module. What about a team leader or an admin? How can they control or see the visibility of opportunities that are
So yeah, as you are asking this question, so opportunity list access just does that, and the list access functionality basically we had built in terms of while keeping in mind that type of a control and a visibility is needed in the opportunity lists with system. So this functionality allows users to dynamically manage and assign permission templates for opportunity lists. So let me think of a use case regarding this. So basically, a university admin is there, and suppose they create a separate opportunity list for various of the departments, such as data science, financial modeling, and digital marketing. So the opportunity list access functionality allows in templates, and the opportunity list will be visible to the users who have access to the list in their permission template. Also, users can use the select all option in the templates, ensuring instant visibility to any of the new opportunities created within their respective departments. So now I'd like to ask Smriti to move to the next slide for the demo. Yeah. Uh, Seeing things makes it really easy to understand. So
Yeah.
yeah. So this is Counselor Amit, and now we go to the permission group, which is Counselor, and we go to the navigate to the opportunity section here, and here is the opportunity list permission set. I enable the digital marketing and save the permission. And we again go to the profile. Right now, no opportunity list was visible to the user because none was provided. Now, digital marketing would be provided. Digital marketing list would be provided to the user. And they can see all the opportunities that fall into the digital marketing opportunity list. Okay. And again, we'll be going back to the permission segment, and we'll be enabling the financial modeling. Or let's suppose I enable the select all list. Let's see what happens then. So now what happens is when we refresh the page, all the three opportunity lists which are created for this particular account will be visible to this particular user. And now suppose if I remove one of the financial opportunity list, won't be visible to the user. Only two of the opportunity. So this is how you can control and like make the access. It's very access level driven, and whoever has the particular list access, so he or she or that particular user will only be able to access the opportunity list, and that's very important for what we are vouching for at Meritto, and that's data security. So yeah, Mihir, I guess I had answered the question.
That's
Yeah.
right, Rajdesh. You certainly did.
Yeah.
We've been through a lot of discussion. We've been through the entire product. Now let's just summarize as to what we did, right?
Again, sorry, Mihi. So before we, summarize, again, I would like to mention that if you have any questions, please raise the same in the chat box, and we'll be there to answer them all of the questions at the end of our session. So now that we are approaching towards the end of our sessions, please go ahead and fill the chat box with your questions.
Thanks, Smriti. So while everyone is just posting questions, let's just summarize the discussion for today. So the opportunity model process that we've established. So let's just focus on the three top 2 pointers that it does, right? First, it centralizes all your data under one hood, clearly categorizing each interest under each lead for efficient data management and tracking, creating more upsell and cross opportunities. One of the primary goals that we had established at the beginning of our webinar today.
Right.
Second, it also helps marketing teams create targeted and customized communication based on the lead's interest, which also helps in optimizing the marketing spend. So it's not only creating more revenues for upsell, but it's also helping you to save a lot of money because you create targeted communication to those people for the subject that they're actually inquired for. All of this results in helping to know your customer better. With the targeted communication and interest-based suggestions, the customer experience is elevated to another level. So if you're ready to discover how you could maximize conversion opportunities for every single student inquiry, let's move towards leveraging opportunity management. So we're heading towards the end of it. So we're open for questions. Feel free to ask as many questions about any feature or share your unique use cases. We'll be happy to answer them as best as well that we can.
Okay, so now that we have, reached towards the session, I can see few questions coming up in our chat box. I would like to pick 2 to 3 questions out of them. So this is for Ajitesh and Mihir. So is there any option to view and edit lead details in an opportunity? This is a question from one of us, listeners. So Ajitesh,
Yeah.
can you please help us answer this question? I hope the
Sure.
question is clear, right?
Yeah. This is the question regarding if we can like create, basically if we can view and edit the lead details in the opportunity
The
section. So
opportunity.
yeah, we are recently working on this particular requirement,
Okay.
and this feature will be live soon. So every of the clients can like reach out to the respective uh, like CS managers to get a date on this. So we are not sure of the date,
So
but
basically,
it will
guys,
be live soon.
Ajitesh would like to share that definitely this feature is going to come up in our upcoming releases. So just wait for that, and you guys can contact your customer success managers to know more about when this option to view and edit lead details in the opportunity is going to come. So with this, I would like to take up another question from the chat box, and it says that okay, this person says that I am an owner of a study abroad consultancy. So how would you help? How would this opportunity help me with in my day-to-day activities? Okay.
Great. So let me take that up, Smriti. I have dealt with this use case before, and it's a very good question because it helps establish how robust opportunity actually is fitting into different use cases for different industries. So for a study abroad, I'm just going to take a small quick example. The study abroad consultancy deals not only in admissions. Say, for example, I came in for an admission, but during the process, I would also probably want to get a language proficiency test so I can get a TOEFL done, right? So a lot of people do coaching for that. That becomes another upsell opportunity for me. Similarly, there is not just they need help with accommodation facilities abroad, right? When you go outside, you need some place to stay. So
Right.
all of these are different opportunities that every owner or every admin needs to track and have an individual tracking of it as to where we've reached with that, whether or not within from a single lead, how many avenues of that we have able to get out of them. So yes, with the study abroad as well, not only study abroad, but also different other industries, the product is as robust that it can fit in there and help you solve your use cases.
Great. Thank you so much, Meet. I hope so thank you everyone, and we are here to help you make the most of the opportunity management. So do not hesitate to reach out to us. Still, you can, till the time we are up with this webinar, you can keep posting your questions. And if not us, then obviously your customer success managers will reach out to you with all your queries.
So yeah, I see there are a lot of questions, Smriti. But considering the time constraint, we won't be able to pick a lot of them. So like you rightly mentioned, we've noted them down. And we ask the respective CS owner for your account to reach out to you and give you a much more detailed session of what this module is, the power of this module, and specifically how it caters to your use case. So thank you all for joining. And remember, opportunity management is designed to streamline the education process. And best of luck to everyone. Thanks, Smriti. Thanks, Ajitesh.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.